Together, I believe that we can create massive things if we work together.
We can take it high.